Okay, so that didn't go as planned. It was odd that Federal Chairman Powell sat there and kept reading when he had specific questions, and this is what I noticed because I watch all these things, is he kept going down to his notes, reading the same sentence over and over. As soon as he started that, I'm like, this is going bad. So don't go away. That's what we're going to talk about next. All right. I also tried to live stream it. I hope I didn't pre-warn you guys. I just did it to just train myself on how to do it because next month we're going to start doing real estate roundtables once a week, live events for you guys to tag in and ask any questions. We'll have experts come on, realtors, accountants, insurance people, and so forth, just to answer any and all questions because this channel is basically information. You know, the more educated you guys are, the better the consumer you are. So let's get on to what happened today. And whew, what a mess. So here's what came out. The 10-year Treasury, it rised fast. I don't know, that's probably not good English. It rose fast, topping a 1.85 yield right basically after the federal chairman signaled that they're going to start pumping up rates in February. The next thing is the summary. I just posted this all over my social media. So check out my Twitter accounts and Facebook accounts and so forth. Go to therateupdate.com, scroll down to the bottom, and there's all my social media tags. And they're also right here. So you can click those and follow me on all social media. And I'm going to post these at least once a day, market summary, just to give you guys an idea what's going on. But here was the concerning thing on this. The only somewhat surprising development was a specific mention of the Treasuries versus MBS balance sheet percentage. I pointed that out when he was talking. I said, he talked about MBSs in a separate document on normalization. It put into writing a concept shared a few times by the few Fed speakers regarding getting back to Treasury only portfolio. That's very bad for the MBSs. We know here on the channel, MBSs are what controls or what's the biggest factor component in your mortgage rate. So then we have a bunch of other data in this newsletter, but that's basically what I wanted to show you. And at the end of each day, we can highlight the events that took place throughout the day. So that's that part of it. Mortgage rates, you can see they're rising. I'll refresh this. They're up 8 basis points just since Federal Chairman Powell spoke. 8 basis points on the 30-year. Now you can see, I said rates are probably going to be 4, probably quicker than you think. So one of the things I want you guys to pay attention to is on the bottom here. I usually don't point this out, and my apologies, because I want to be as transparent as I can. These are rates by Mortgage News Daily. They survey lenders all over the country. What I want you guys to pay attention to too is right through here. It says 0.4 in points. Okay, so that means you're getting a 3.74 rate, but it's going to cost you 0.4 points. 0.4 means 0.4% of the loan amount. Okay, just to make that in context. So a $100,000 loan, that'd be $400. Not a lot, but I want to put that out there. So below all these numbers, you're going to see points. Okay, so we have the 15-year up 5 basis points. But again, it's 297 with 0.4 in points. So when you take this, you look at this number right here, where you see 3.74 with 0.4 in points, you're probably at a 3.8 or 3.9. We are on the brink of 4. And I mentioned this before, we're going to hit 4 fairly quick, and then we should stagnate. And I see 4.5 probably by summer. Okay, as long as we don't go to war, the Omicron starts, there's a lot of deaths with the Omicron, and we don't know what tomorrow's going to bring. Okay, so that's going across here. When you look at the 30-year FHA, consider that also VA, because normal government loans are basically around the same pricing or the same rates. Okay, but you can see across the board, everything is up. All right, the MBSs, what are they doing? I'm going to refresh this. You're going to kind of puke on this one. They're down 63. Let's see the live version, down 63. Oh, the market's closed. That's why they're going to be stagnant. They're down 63. So I am a proponent right now. I yelled out earlier today about 12:30 our time to lock everything we got. So if you're in, you're most likely locked. And I saw this, I kind of saw this coming. What I started to see in the MBS market is we went from up 10 to down about 11 like that. And I'm like, I don't like that. So I yelled out throughout the whole office, if you got them, lock them. So basically, if you watch Boiler Room, it's like Recco or something like that, whatever. You guys know what I'm talking about. So if you're in the process right now and you need help with a mortgage, please reach out to us. That's all I ask you to do. Where you send it. If you have a loan estimate from a company, let me ask you this. If you have a loan estimate from the company, you're going to need a new one because that is obsolete. Okay. It's like, what was Tesla's stock this morning versus now? Big difference. Okay. So that's the best way I can explain it. But once you get a loan estimate, if you want to get that loan estimate to send it to us, do so. But we need it like refreshed. So you can't have a loan estimate from last week because it's not comparing apples to apples. Okay, so that's first thing. Send those to me. Where you send them to is LE for loan estimate. So LE review at therateupdate.com. So that's that. But if you're in the process and you need pre-approved, or if you got you have a house under contract, you need help, please reach out to us. Okay, I'll show you the best way to get us and reach us because time is of the essence right now. Where you want to go is go to therateupdate.com. And then what you're going to do is right up here, you're going to either call us 844-775-5626, schedule a meeting. You're going to click that tab. It'll open up our calendar for you, giving you the days and times we have available, or start your application. Guys, if you're on the fence, like, oh, I'm going to wait, don't wait anymore. Just do it. We'll work with you. We work with over 130 lenders throughout the country. So we're one-stop shop to shop your loan basically all over the country. That's what we're here for. So thanks for watching the video, guys. I am heading to Florida tomorrow. I know if you've watched my channel for a long time, you're like, every time I go to Florida, the rates just go to crap. And unfortunately, they happened the day before. So I'll be in Florida, heading down there tomorrow. I'll be back live doing my videos Friday morning. So I might even try to do maybe a live thing from the airport or something if I see anything really catastrophic happening. Otherwise, I won't be on tomorrow. I'll be back on Friday, full steam ahead. So thanks for watching, guys. God bless, and I'll see you Friday. Bye-bye.